All right, so this is the last part of adding the sound. So we have found out what sounds we want to use, and now we're going to use them. All right. So back into After Effects, I imported those two files, and then let us work on the run footsteps first. So we drag it down, and it is at 1 minute, the footage that I want. So I'll go to composition settings and add a minute to my composition. Okay, so that towards the end, this one. All right, so let us look at the audio. Let us drag this composition here so we can just work on the particular file I want. Okay. So we'll use this particular. So once the footstep ends, and the other one. All right, so let us look at this. Okay, so this is what I want to use. So I'll go and hit the left right bracket here, and at the end use the next live bracket. At this bracket I'm using is next to the P key, okay, the square bracket. All right, so we just want to use that particular one, and what I'm going to do is add a keyframe here, and after a few frames add a keyframe, and after the sound is over add a keyframe, and in the end add a keyframe. Doesn't matter if it is little bad. We just want to kill the sound. Okay, so it has a nice fade in fade out effect. Alright, so that is the sound we are going to use. Now we will simply drag it all the way to the beginning. Where did it go? Have to do it again, I guess. Okay, so this is our footstep. Go to composition, composition settings, kill the 1 minute. Alright, now we will duplicate this, Control D, second footstep. Okay, so first footstep, second footstep, third one, fourth one. Okay, it's rendering. Okay, the footstep is done. Now we will add the ambient sounds. This one. Okay, again, actually I should not have removed that 1 minute. I need to find the sound I want to use for this as well. So I'm using the one after the waterfall. Alright, so we'll trim this one here. Go here. Okay, go to the beginning and zoom in there. So we'll kill it here, alt right bracket, and I don't write the base number. Okay, so I'll hit the left bracket. So this one I can duplicate it, play it here. Alright, and then I think these are quite loud. I don't want any of these videos to be seen, so I will kill the waveform for both of these. Okay, so it is kind of soft, and that's about it. Again, we'll go to the end of it, end there, and right click and trim come to work area, and then go to file, export, add to media encoder, and we will render this as a MP4 file. If you don't have a media encoder, you can go to file, export, add to render queue, and render it as an MP4 file. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you very much.